Welcome. Excuse the darkness. If I turn the lights on here, you're not going to be able to see the screen. It gets washed out. So we're going to go to record switch. We're going to turn it on. I'm going to back out of there. We're going to get that little additional icon up there in the menu. AA1PR recording Venture Overland test. Okay, so we're going to go back to the menu. Focus camera. Back to record. Going to shut that off. Record list. I have two of them in there. Record play. AA1PR recording Venture Overland test. Or we can send it to loopback. AA1PR recording Venture Overland test. Testing, AA. I'm not sure what this record send can do. Oh, there we go. We can actually send it to somebody. So if you put a private ID in there, you can send it to whoever you're talking to on a talk group. One of your friends, a new ham acquaintance. Let them know what their audio sounded like. Let me show you my first recording and check this out, just to make sure that it's going to work. Testing, AA1PR record test. So it got that little digital voice quality. It's just because you're on digital mobile radio. It's an ATD878UV-BT green button. Like I said, with the camera flash on, gonna wash the screen out. But anyways, hope you like that. Hope this video helps you out. Please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification for future videos. Use our Amazon link for any and all purchases there, as it helps support the channel. Use our Bridgecomm affiliate link, as it also helps support the channel. If you want to help support the channel another way, you can use patreon.com/simplyhamradio. Everybody be safe, and 7-3.